Hello? Dude, I just told you, dog. Go ahead and breathe, man. It's okay. We it's okay. We know Eminem lost, man. For real. It's over. Listen, you guys gotta accept it, man. I did a truth behind video last year. I did a truth behind video last year. Yeah, I was talking about what had happened last year. He was spinning a freestyle and he kind of talked about it in that. This is a year ago. When because he was trying to get on Sway and Sway no wanted him on the show, but he couldn't get on because Eminem had blocked him. Well, that happens, but huh. you uh you now you called me right when I was getting ready to basically make a video about it. It's a lot, bro. To tell you the truth, it's a lot, and not in actuality because okay. Well, here's the problem. Eminem, he has a lot of political pull in the game. All right. This is a guy who he's been blackballing. Eminem had to fight to get himself in the game, and now somebody's coming to his chest giving him the smoke. Listen, it's people out here who's not controlled by media or have a relationships. You see how Hot 97 and the Breakfast Club, how scared they are to say what it really is. They scared to come out and say Eminem got spanked. They are scared to even open their mouth and say it. I mean, everybody takes an L every now and then. But if this was Drake, oh, they'd have been all done. Drake got murdered, Drake got killed, man, Drake got he got bodied, he got bodied. With Eminem, they walking on eggshells. Every single last one of them. I'm gonna say I like it, but Eminem's coming back, man. He's gonna come back better than ever. You know it's coming. We like, dude. We here to talk about the future. We here to talk about the here and now. The here and now is that boy got smoked. That boy got lit up like Machine Gun Kelly. It was a St. Valentine's Day massacre. He got hit up. And I don't know, everybody can keep glossing over the facts and talking about it ain't nothing. Oh, it ain't nothing. It ain't the greatest disc record in the world. Hey, I'm gonna tell you like this. Who did Eminem ever go at that was at that level? You see what I'm saying? Put it on him, man. Yeah, the Oracle. The Oracle is yeah. It's on the. I'm not saying it's the or. It's the Oracle is more because they had a personal relationship. Where they knew each other. These two now they don't know each other. I don't think they ever met. But he did something disrespectful. You see what I'm saying? That's if you go back and look at the actual tweet, dog. Go back and look at the actual tweet. He says Eminem's daughter's looking fine as up right now. No disrespect, no to Eminem. I know he's the king. No disrespect to him. He says this in the tweet. He don't know how old Eminem's daughter is. He said that. He's like, I didn't know how old she was. He said, I saw the picture. Like, man, I'm just trying to big up her. And he blew all of this out of proportion because of it. Blackballing the man career and all this. He was like, dog, you really finna do? Dude, are you kidding me? You really this butthurt over this? All right. But it wasn't about that. No, this ain't nothing like you thinking. No, this ain't nothing like, dude, this ain't Benzino. This ain't Justin Timberlake. This ain't Limp Biscuit, dog. This is somebody that can really diss him back. That's why it's a problem. He has a problem on his hands. What are you gonna do? Call up his credit card, his bank, and try to get him arrested for fraud? Like we think you're part terrorist and part of an ecstasy ring. I mean, Eminem won, and Machine Gun Kelly's locked up for mysterious pill violation. That's how Eminem win battles. Then he come out with a record after it. You know, when the person can't respond back, if they battle in the feds. No, you giving him away. No. That's too much credit. When? What's beautiful? I don't even remember the song. So to me, it must be garbage. It must be garbage. Like I'll tell you, I don't even remember it. I don't know what beautiful is right now. You said something about beautiful, and I'm looking like, what's beautiful? I'm just being honest. I don't know what you're talking about right now. I'm gonna make a call later. I'm gonna finish this video. All right. All right, we're back. And there's a reason why I didn't want you to listen in to what they were saying. That's very key that I turned the volume down. And that's because what they were saying was very instrumental. And the person I was just speaking with was returning my call. And hopefully we'll have something for you later in the week about that. But that person is a very avid rap fan. And they believe most of the stuff they get off Hot 97 because they're too busy doing other things in their own professions. So they get caught up off Hot 97 and the Breakfast Club. But when they want the real, they contact me. Because I'm going to give it to them straight. Now, we talked yesterday, and I told them the real. And I told them I got my truth behind video is like on fire. From a year ago. Because I had already covered the beef between Eminem and Machine Gun Kelly. But now he's relishing the moment because more and more people are like, we kind of got to say it. Eminem ain't said nothing yet. He just dropped a video for, and nobody's really talking about it. As great as that song is, and we love the song, you know, we not trying to hear the video right now. Everybody's stuck in this mode. Everybody's like, Eminem just dropped a new video for. We like, that ain't what we waiting on. Don't tell him I'm fake. Don't tell him I'm fake. No. Don't tell him I'm fake. I mean, I love the song. That's my second favorite song of the album. So, wow, Eminem's fall video. You gotta check it out. Oh, great. Dude, listen. Machine Gun Kelly did what he always do. He just lit it up. Man, everybody want to hit me up when I do the video about Kelly. I told you, Eminem's on the clock. He's making sure he gets this just right. Oh, he's working on it. We ain't gonna probably get it to about midnight tonight, real late, so he can be out by tomorrow morning. But I'm guaranteeing that something is coming real soon. And I hope for Eminem's sake it is that epic song, that magic bullet, because that's what he needs right now. He needs a magic bullet to pull it out because he's going against a young bull who has no more respect for you. You put him in a space where he went there. You know what I mean? So now it's like that's it. Respect is done. So do you really want that smoke? Free smoke, free smoke.